How to dropship from AliExpress to Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with dropshipping from AliExpress to Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to know to get started is that you can't directly dropship from AliExpress to Shopify, so you do have to use an integration. And I'll be breaking it down which types of integrations are useful in dropshipping and which ones you should be using. So as you guys can see, AliExpress offers you with a large variety of products that you can't really find anywhere else. And with that large variety of products, you want to be able to import the ones that you like onto your Shopify store. So to do that, simply head on over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, scroll to the left panel and click on Apps and Sales Channels. Now, once you click on Apps and Sales Channels on the left, click on Shopify App Store on the top right. Once you've opened up the Shopify App Store, you're going to search for DSers. Now, DSers is one of the tools that you can use for dropshipping from AliExpress to Shopify. There are multiple other tools available as well, such as CJ Dropshipping, SPocket, AutoDS, Zopi, and more. It really comes down to your personal preference. I have used CJ Dropshipping, DSers, AutoDS, and SPocket. In all of these tools that I have personally used, I would recommend that you go with SPocket, DSers, or CJ Dropshipping. Now, the reason for this is because when you are using either of these tools, they are super beginner friendly. They have free plans available, so you can be very free about getting started with your dropshipping business. You don't have to invest any capital into purchasing a dropshipping tool, and all of them work pretty well. So I'm going to proceed with DSers because it has been one of my top picks in AliExpress dropshipping tools. So we are just going to get started over here, and then we are going to go into the next page and click on Install over here. Now, once we click on Install over here, we are going to be led to the Shopify installation page. So from here, you are going to create your DSers account. Now, you guys will see you have a login and authorized section, and you can also change your account and build your new account, and it's very easy to get started with DSers. All you need to do is input your email address and a suitable password. Once you do that, you want to click on Login and Authorize to connect your DSers account to your Shopify store. Now, I'm just going to go on ahead and log in to my pre-existing DSers account, like so. And just like that, you will be led to your confirmation page. Now, I'm just going to wait for this to be completed. And just like that, this is going to be the DSers page, and in your DSers page, you have an authentication check. So I will just click on confirm over here, and we currently already have all our stores connected. I'm just going to connect that over here. So once we have connected our DSers account to Shopify over here, we're just going to set up our Shopify store, and we can go into settings and then go into our general settings and go into store management, click on add stores over here, and then you can connect your particular DSers account. So I'm just going to update my information from here. So our Shopify store can be linked to DSers and complete our authentication. So I'm just going to click on confirm over here, and that is it. Now you guys can see you have multiple different plans you can choose from, and I'm just going to continue on, and you can choose the pro plan if you want. Now, once you have completed that, you can head on over to your DSers dashboard, and once your connection with your store is complete, you can actually get started with setting up your product. So there are different ways that you can search for products. You can search by category, and then you can also search by the particular type of product you want, hot sellers, trending products, and more. You can find all of that in the left panel, and in your home section, you can go ahead and go into the Find Suppliers section, and this will open up AliExpress for you. Now, you guys will see multiple different products available, and you also have a DSers premium selection. Now you can choose a product that you like, and if you click on the product, it will directly open up the AliExpress listing. So once the AliExpress listing has been opened up, you can choose whether or not you like it, and then you will also see on the right panel, you have the delivery estimations. So you will see different delivery estimations, and you might want to choose the delivery that is going to be the most fastest for your particular target area. So your target area might be a certain country. It might be, let's say it's Canada for us. So you want to check the shipping rates to your target country, even if it's not, the country you're in. So you can open up the particular delivery till there. And then we have free shipping that is going to be delivered on 28th of March, or the faster shipping. So you can choose the faster one over here to get a better shipping time. Now, once you have chosen the products that you like, if you like the AliExpress listing, then you're just going to click on the supplier optimizer. Now, this actually shows you similar listings for, a similar product, and you can actually compare the different types of products that are falling under the same niche. So both of these products are almost the same. However, there is a pretty large price difference, and we can go into this one over here. And once we open up this one, I think this is it's pretty much the same product. And once I have this particular product chosen, I can go back into DSers and I can go into add import list. So once we have added the product to our import list, we're going to click on check over here to check it from our import list. Now, this is what the product looks like in the import list, and what I can do from here is go on ahead and customize the listing for Shopify. To do that, you click on edit products on the bottom left, and then you have a really long title as it is on AliExpress. So I want to change this into basic silky tie, and then you are going to choose your organization, which is basically your website. Then you have the image options. You can choose your default image. Let's say I want to select this one instead. Then you can go into variants over here, and you have multiple different variants available. You will have the shipping rates estimated for a particular country, and then the type of shipping. So you can choose whichever shipping is cheaper and the fastest for your particular country. Then you have the price, and you can also edit the price. So let's say I want to go on ahead and change the price to $5. So I can add a new price like this. You can also just select them all together and do bulk editing as well, like so. And you can go on ahead and remove a particular color as well. Now, let's say I don't want all these colors. I only want to sell my product in a few colors. So what I can do is I can click on the delete icon on the right to delete a particular variant that is not applicable in my store, that might not be useful for us. I'm going to delete some of the variants from here. And once I have deleted the variants that I do not require, so I've just deleted a couple of variants, and I'm going to keep some of the more basic ones that might fit the aesthetic or vibe or appearance of my store. What I'm going to do is I can click on description over here and then customize the description and images. So I don't want all the images. I'm going to go with a select few, and I'm just going to add the red one, the black one, the white one like this, the blue one, or only the variants that are relevant. It will directly show you this section called variant image, and you can just select the ones that you have presented in your variants. And then once you've completed that, just click on push to store over here and select your Shopify store, and then just click on push to store. Now you can do this with Shopify, you can do this with other platforms as well, but Shopify is the recommended platform because it offers you the best store management systems out there. So just like that, it will show your product in your Shopify store, and then your orders will be directly sent into DSers and into your suppliers. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with connecting your Shopify account to DSers and getting started with dropshipping on Shopify. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.